Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by measuring ingredients precisely for consistent Xian Bing dough. Combine 300 grams all-purpose flour with 160 ml warm water and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix until shaggy, then knead for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Coat the dough lightly with 1 tablespoon vegetable oil to prevent drying. Let the dough rest covered with a damp towel for 30 minutes at room temperature. After resting, divide the dough into 8 even pieces weighing about 60 grams, each before proceeding to the filling stage. Prepare a flavorful filling using precise measures for balanced taste and texture. Combine 300 grams minced pork with 50 grams finely chopped scallion and 15 grams minced ginger. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and 1/2 teaspoon sugar for depth. Mix thoroughly until the filling becomes slightly sticky and cohesive to make sealing easier. Chill the filling for 5 minutes in the refrigerator to firm it slightly before using. This resting step improves handling and final Assemble Xian Bing by rolling each dough piece into a 12-centimeter round. Spoon approximately 50 grams of the chilled filling into the center of each round. Fold the edges over the filling and pinch tightly to seal, removing any air pockets. Flatten each sealed ball gently with a palm and roll into a thick disc about 3.5 centimeters thick. Heat a skillet with 1 tablespoon oil on medium heat and pan fry each flatbread 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown. Press lightly, flip, and cook 2 additional minutes per side before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.